Assalamu alaikum guys, this is ASAD YAQUB
And this is Adina sir.
and today both of us are going to go for
IFTAR.
yeah, iftar is out there. Like we say, adventure is out there. So I love my daughter and we're going to pick thank you. We're going to pick Mustain on the way, and then Mustain, Adin and I will go for iftar. We're going to take you along. So that's our car. It's ready. Yeah, ready to go. And Adin, will you please open the door now?
Yeah, like always.
Yes.
Now please sit down, sir.
Okay, now we go and we'll show you some way as well, and we're going to take Mustain along. Okay guys, so Adin, tell me something new.
So it is like when
उर्दू में बताना ऐसे क्या
अच्छा,
मजा है?
अच्छा।
हम लोग एंजॉय करते हुए जा रहे हैं। मैं नहीं आ रहा कैमरे में,
अच्छा,
अब आ रहा हूँ। हाँ, अब बताओ।
तो डैडी होता ये है कि जो हमारे आवाम है ना, इनको कोई रुकने के लिए कहते हैं ना, जैसे कोई हादसा हो जाए रोड पे, कोई नहीं रुकता, लेकिन जब कोई लड़ना शुरू हो जाता है ना, सारे रुक जाते हैं, पूरा ड्रामा देख के जाते हैं।
जी वेले ने है, देखते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है। वैसे कोई नहीं रुकेगा है, और अगर किसी की कोई लड़ाई हो रही है, कोई मसला हो रहा है, तो सारे रुक के देखेंगे कि क्या हो रहा है। ओके, वाह जी वाह। दीन के साथ चिट चैट कर रहा हूँ। आप लोगों ने मुस्तैन को पिक करना है। अभी हम मुस्तैन को पिक करेंगे और फिर हम आगे जाएंगे। आज जो इफ्तारी है वो शमाइला की तरफ से है, और देखते हैं कि इफ्तारी में क्या होता है। स्टे ट्यून्ड गाइस। सो गाइस, दिस इज आवर एरिया। ये हम लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं। दिस इज डिफेंस एरिया, कैंटोनमेंट एरिया, बिल्कुल इसके पास में हमारा घर है। नाउ वी आर ऑन कैवलरी ग्राउंड। ये हम लोग कैवलरी ग्राउंड जा रहे हैं। अदीन मैं यहाँ से शॉर्टकट लूँगा, ठीक है, ताकि हम जल्दी पहुँच जाए। मुस्तैन को हमने लेना है, और ये देखिए जी, हम शॉर्टकट ले रहे हैं।
You only have 15 minutes to get here.
We are going to reach there earlier. We will reach there earlier.
पर डैडी हम वहाँ पे 2-3 मिनट खड़े होके क्या करेंगे?
कोई बात नहीं, हम वेट कर लेंगे। ये देखें जी, ये नमाज हुई है और नमाजी जो है मस्जिद से बाहर आ रहे हैं। रमज़ान में जो है मस्जिद की रौनकें और बढ़ जाती हैं, और ज़्यादा लोग जो है वो नमाज पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं।
वरना तो लोग
जाते हैं, वरना भी जाते हैं, घर में भी पढ़ते हैं, मस्जिद में
लेकिन रमजान में ज़्यादा जाते
हैं तमाम के साथ।
Hello guys, this is Adina Asad and right next to me is ASAD YAQUB.
Hi guys, this is ASAD YAQUB with Adina Asad and we are going for iftar.
Yes. So today we'll be asking a few questions from ASAD YAQUB related to IELTS. And first of all, I'd like to welcome you to our IELTS show.
Okay, good.
Okay. So can you explain us that that when we start reading, and if reading is a bit low, how can we improve our reading?
Okay, Adin, there are two parts of IELTS reading. I would say two essential components of IELTS reading. One is the questions,
Yes.
and the other one is the passages.
Yes,
right?
okay.
So questions and the passages. If you understand the questions, they will give you the direction where to go in the passage.
Okay.
Right? Because you know,
Yes.
I mean, if you don't know the question and you're looking for the answer, you will never
Yes.
find the answer. Okay?
Yes.
So it's just like that. You should know the question, and
Okay.
then in order to find the answer to that question, you need to go to the passage. Now,
Okay.
in the passage, am I coming in the camera? The camera is on you, huh?
Yes, Daddy,
Okay.
you are coming.
So as far as the answers are concerned, now you need to read the passage with clear understanding, with the full attention. You should pay full attention. You should concentrate and see what the question was. Where can the answer be? And there is another thing which you need to see that is very, very important. And that important thing is you need to know actually the synonyms.
Okay.
Because they always use the synonyms to trap you. They always use the synonyms to, you know, just trap you in such a way. Okay, so that's why your knowledge, especially the synonyms, the synonymous phrases and the paraphrasing, right? So that is important. Now for example,
Okay.
Adin, what do we call the thing in which we drink water?
Glass.
Now see, glass is a vocabulary word, but I used paraphrasing. I said, what do we call the thing in which we drink water? And you understood it's actually the glass. So this is very, very important to know the paraphrasing, to know the synonyms, to know the synonymous phrases. Once you know all these things, then it's going to be easier for you to find the answers in reading.
Okay. right now we're talking about IELTS, but in my general English exam, you know, the passages I get, they're similar to the ones we get in IELTS, you know. They puzzle each and every exam. In English also, they have passages in the English exam also in which they have used synonyms. So can you explain us how can we improve our knowledge about synonyms?
Okay, for synonyms there are a couple of ways. One is you can directly go to Google and you can learn some synonyms from there.
Okay.
Right? Some synonymous phrases, some synonyms you can learn from Google. Right?
Okay.
The first thing. Tadina, I have to drive as well like this. Okay, now the second thing is after that you should practice IELTS reading test, and there you will find a lot of synonyms, and make a list of the synonyms you get in IELTS reading and in IELTS listening. Because in listening and reading you will find the synonyms. So if you note them down carefully in your notebook or in your personal copy, definitely that can help you with that. So I mean, it's just not only one thing. You will have to struggle a lot to learn the synonyms.
Okay, so
Yes.
thank you very much.
Alright, Adin, see, we
We'll
are
catch
stuck in
you.
the traffic.
Yeah,
You
we are
just show
stuck.
them. We are going from under the bridge. This is the shortcut. We have to take Mustain from there. So let's see. He was already telling me that Daddy, there's going to be the crowd over there and too
So
much
Daddy,
traffic.
you've got 10 minutes to pick him up. He'll get free at 6.
Yes. Okay.
So see ya. We'll catch you guys up later.
Look, they're making
in
samosa.
IFTAR.
Just show
Oh,
that.
look.
Iftar.
I'm
Yeah.
feeling so hungry already.
Yeah, well, let me tell you, Adina sir is also fasting, mashallah. Mustain is regular at fasting, I am regular at fasting, and Adin is also very
A
regular
kind
at
of
fasting.
regular.
Yes, a kind of regular because she had her exams.
Now they're
So-
finished.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you guys up in our next
Adin,
vlog.
let's show them this railway crossing.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
sure,
that's the
sure,
railway
sure.
crossing.
Okay, so we'll take you guys.
Yeah, to the
along
right side,
with
right
us.
side, yeah.
Look,
The right side, it's a long way. Show it to me.
you better drive carefully.
Yeah, I'm driving carefully. That's the railway crossing.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. This is Adin Asad and this is Mustain Asad.
Guys, this is
And
ASAD
this is
YAQUB
ASAD
and we've
YAQUB.
come for iftar, and the place
Finally.
is actually Savor Foods. So shall we go?
Yes.
Come on, let's go. Adin,
Yes, Daddy.
are you fasting?
Yes,
I'm fasting. Mustain fasting? Okay. So this is the place Savor Foods, and that's the entrance. Come on, guys. Adin, what is this bag for?
This is, you know, it's the most important stuff.
And Mustain is obsessed with photography, yeah? All the time he's holding the camera. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Here we are.
Welcome to Savor
Thank you.
Lahore.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to
Good.
Savor Lahore.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. That's good. So, yes.
Yes, Sadie.
Adin, happy?
Yeah.
All right.
Actually,
Mustain
I'm
is-
hungry.
Hi, how are you?
Good. dinner. First we had the iftar, and now after that we got the iftar dinner. Got the salad as well. Okay, it's all yummy. You can see green salad like onion, cucumber, and all that. And then we got this what they call thanda thanda sa raita. Great. So this is going to be iftar dinner. First we had iftar, and now after that we got iftar dinner. This is Saver Foods. It's in Lahore, and we are enjoying this lovely meal. And the great thing is, once you buy one platter, after that you can get free rice as well. Okay, so you can eat as much as you want to. This is a special offer here. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. खा खा के बुरा हाल हो गया। अब मैं और नहीं खा सकता। मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं खाया, लेकिन फिर भी खा खा के मेरा बुरा हाल हो गया। लेकिन लोग पता नहीं देखें कैसे खाते हैं। देखो खांदी जा रही है, दूसरी प्लेट है। इन्हों कोई शक्लों देख के कह सकता है ना खांदी हुई, और अभी ये भी इसने खाना चाहिए। So this was the iftar dinner, and I hope you would have enjoyed whatever we did here. You would have enjoyed, especially the food we showed you and the roads of Lahore, traffic of Lahore, and all that. Stay tuned. We'll show you more on ASAD YAQUB. Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that whenever we upload any video, you should be the first one to watch. See ya. Bye bye. Everyone say bye bye. सबने खाना खत्म कर दिया, बट एक बंदा अभी तक खा रहा है।